Here we are, guys, in Hunter Zombie. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all of the newest working codes that you can redeem inside the game today. For the Christmas update, we have a bunch of new additions and features, guys, added into the game. We've got a brand new candy cane weapon, and it's going to be absolutely crazy. Seriously, guys, don't skip around or go anywhere, otherwise you'll miss out on all of the newest working codes today. And believe me, I've got a lot to get through. Now, quickly, guys, before we jump into anything, I'm going to be doing a small giveaway inside the game. If you guys would like to enter this giveaway and win anything you want from the shop, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below your Roblox username, and let me know what you'd like. If you win, I'll give that item to you. As you can see, I've got over 1 million Robux ready to give away to you guys. So if you aren't entering these giveaways, you're seriously missing out. Alright guys, we have a bunch of working codes inside Hunter Zombie to redeem. Let's go ahead and redeem all of the newest codes in the game. If you don't know how to redeem codes in Hunter Zombie, what you want to do is click on the button on the right side that says Codes. Then type the codes in here. You can redeem these codes in any order. Let's get right into it.